Metrios is an optical measuring machine designed to work directly on the shop floor. Dozens or hundreds of measurements in seconds without having to move to the metrology room. All measurements with a single button, eliminating human error and simplifying operators' training. From distances, angles, radii, gears, to circularity and profile comparison, an all-in-one tool capable of providing statistics and certifying product quality. Much more reliable than manual measurement, much faster than measuring in a metrology room. Fast and reliable control directly on the shop floor allows you to intervene promptly in the process and avoid waste. Speeding up retooling by reducing the measurement time to just a few seconds. Quality control with low labor and cost impact. Metrios helps to produce better. Unlike generic tools, it can be customized for specific production processes. The return on investment is extremely rapid. The process is completely under control.